How rich people are making millions with inflation. Inflation is a topic that has been on everyone's minds lately, especially with the recent economic recovery from the pandemic. While most people are concerned about the rising prices and the impact on their finances, some wealthy individuals have found ways to profit from inflation. In this video, we will explore 5 strategies that rich people are using to make money in the face of inflation. Holding real assets. One of the simplest ways to understand inflation is through the concept of supply and demand. When there is an increase in the money supply, prices tend to rise. Rich individuals have recognized this and have chosen to invest in real assets such as real estate. By investing in properties, they not only beat inflation but also profit enormously. With interest rates at their lowest, many investors took advantage of mortgages to leverage their investments and maximize their returns. Utilizing debt. Contrary to popular belief, debt can be beneficial, especially during times of inflation. Borrowing money at a lower interest rate and investing it in assets that appreciate in value allows individuals to make a profit. Top corporations like Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, and Apple have taken advantage of low interest rates to borrow money, even though they have substantial cash reserves. By investing borrowed money into their operations and earning a return higher than the interest rate, they make a profit. Additionally, borrowing money also provides tax benefits, further increasing their savings. Investing in gold. Gold has always been considered a safe haven asset during times of crisis. Its value tends to rise when the future appears uncertain. Investors turn to gold as a way to protect their wealth. While gold is a passive asset that does not generate income, its value has consistently increased over time. By investing in gold, wealthy individuals have profited from inflation and preserved their wealth. Exploring cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, has gained popularity as a potential investment option during inflation. While it is a highly volatile and risky investment, many individuals have made substantial profits by purchasing cryptocurrencies. The increase in the money supply by central banks, coupled with the belief that cryptocurrencies are a digital form of gold, has led to a surge in their prices. Early investors in Bitcoin, before it gained mainstream attention, have seen their fortunes multiply. Investing in stocks. Stocks have always been a favored investment option for wealthy individuals. While they may not experience the same exponential growth as cryptocurrencies, stocks offer stability and long-term growth potential. By investing in the stock market, individuals can benefit from the overall growth of the economy. As businesses expand with inflation and consumer spending increases, stock prices tend to rise. Investing in stocks allows individuals to combat inflation and profit from it. Conclusion. Inflation can be a cause for concern for many people, but wealthy individuals have found ways to turn it into an opportunity for profit. By holding real assets, utilizing debt, investing in gold, exploring cryptocurrency, and investing in stocks, they have managed to make millions in the face of inflation. While these strategies may not be suitable for everyone, They provide insights into how the rich navigate economic fluctuations and maximize their wealth. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.